Blavo & Co Solicitors, committed to excellence.
One of the areas of law that Blavo & Co deal with is extradition law. This is a niche area of law which Blavo & Co are experienced in dealing with. The Extradition Act 2003 has changed extradition law and procedure. The Act was designed to streamline extradition law, however, on the contrary, the number and seriousness of extradition requests has rapidly increased. It is now one of the fast-moving areas of criminal law. It can be a very stressful time for a defendant who has been made the subject of a European arrest warrant. The 2003 Act means that UK law does not give many opportunities to oppose a request. However, our experienced team are able to identify issues which can include whether the offence is an extradition offence under Section 10 of the Act and whether the European arrest warrant is a valid warrant under Section 2 of the Act. Further, we will advise a client whether or not he has any bars to raise to extradition. Bars can include double jeopardy, extraneous considerations, i.e. you can't extradite a person for the purpose of prosecuting or punishing them on account of their race, religion, nationality, gender, sexual orientation or political opinions. Passage of time, unjust or oppressive to extradite a person by reason of the passage of time since he is alleged to have A. committed the offence or B. become unlawfully at large. Specialty, this rule provides that a person who has been extradited may be prosecuted only for the offence listed in the extradition request. The rule is to ensure that a person is not extradited on a pretext only to be prosecuted for an offence for which extradition may not be allowed. Hence, it is very important for a defendant to be represented by an expert in the field. Our experienced extradition team is able to give specialist advice and protect the defendant's interests. We are also experts not only at the initial hearings in the Magistrates' Court, but also in relation to appeals to the High Court, where a defendant will always be granted legal aid. Our representation also extends to liaising with a large network of lawyers from the countries where the defendant is wanted for extradition. This includes arranging for the defendant to be represented by decent lawyers in the event that they are extradited. We also have links with Fair Trials International, who assist in relation to injustice surrounding European arrest warrants. We have dealt with a large number of cases, including the leading case in relation to the right for a retrial, the case called Daan Chen. In this case, we dealt with whether a defendant's extradition was barred by the passage of time or by the fact that he was tried and sentenced in absentia and had not deliberately absented himself from his trial.